Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a new account in your Wargaming Game Center. So once we're in here, you see we are logged in into our account and we want to add a new one. We want to add, for example, our friend's account if he wants to play on our computer, or he bought a tank that we want to try and we want to add his account and start it straight away. Basically what we have to do, we have to go to the top left corner where we can see our name and the region that we are playing at. And when we are here, we can go all the way down in this pop-up window, and there's account management, change password, add account, and log out. What we want to do, as you probably guessed, is add account. In here is very easy to proceed. At the moment I don't have any spare account to join into, but it's very easy. You will just go with XYZ and then the gmail.com, for example, and then you'll address the password and you will hit the login button. It works every time, like you have no problem. You can also do it on the website, but it's not what we are doing at the moment. But the nice thing is you are straight away logged in into your web account as well. If you join in here in this emotional damage account, you see you'll get in here as well. So by that time you can just log out and log in with a different account, and you are all set up and good to go. But I strongly recommend you using Wargaming Game Center. It's very good. It's a very good option for you, and you won't regret it. So guys, if you have any types of questions how to work inside your game center, please leave a questions underneath this video. And yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the different videos about not only World of Tanks, but you can check my other work, and I hope you'll find what you're looking for. So guys, yet again, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day.